Now he's inside, set to go to race number 2. Oh, this is only about this choice. Happy G Silver Wizard now already outside to take the lead. Now we have Silver Wizard by about 2 lengths out. This choice, My Privilege, Unica Champ, Mas Masaya sa Pinas, running by the is number 4, Ceiling Pula. And that's still Silver Wizard by about 2.5 lengths. My Privilege now in second, Altus Choice and Unica Champa. And that's still Silver Wizard goes on by about 2 lengths. My Privilege now coming closer in second. Altus Choice in third, Ceiling Pula alongside Unica Champ, Mas Masaya sa Pinas and Happy G with Silver Wizard still the leader by about 3 lengths. Altus Choice, My Privilege is already outside. Silver Wizard still in front. My Privilege once again coming closer already outside. Altus Choice in third as they come down to the last of the day. And it's still Silver Wizard by about 3 lengths. My Privilege opted to run down on the inside with Silver Wizard by about 3 lengths. My Privilege giving the power burst of energy. But it's still Silver Wizard. My Privilege, Ceiling Pula, Altus Choice, Unica Champ. Then comes close, Happy G, Mas Masaya sa Pinas.
Okay, bayang terorista, para dito sa ating race number 2, ang ating unofficial winner, only the second choice, numero 3, Silver Wizard, na segundo dyan. Itong numero 5, My Privilege, at tercero, numero 4, Ceiling Pula. Kukumpleto naman sa inyong quartet, numero 2, Altus Choice. At ipong balikan na ng replay dito sa ating race number